Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EFLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, certainly updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The next updates come from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0038 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, you want to see it act as support. And same thing, 0043 was a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, want to see that act as support. So if you want to just consider this a resistance zone, that would be perfectly logical too. But as I talked about in yesterday's video, and which continues to be the case from the big picture perspective, looking at the grand scheme of things and a very simplistic way to look at everything, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, which is going to continue to move upwards, then again, big picture of things, the bulls are still in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance before you can start talking about, breaking through the highs of the day. Right up here at 006. If you watched level 2s today, then I'm sure I'm stating the obvious, but, for whatever reason, the sellers decided to show up there. And yeah, the price got up above it a few times, but you get the point. Right around here, there's quite a bit of price congestion of sellers. So yeah, there are sellers that are hanging out at 006, so that'll be initial area of resistance going into next week. If the price can push through there, the next key level of resistance is, where the party stopped today, up there at 0069. All in all, though, no doubt about it, past couple days have been very solid. And, at the end of the day, as long as the price just keeps on building higher bases, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.